let's start today's drawing. For that I'm going to draw, I can say, tilted rectangle or parallelogram style. And what do you think what I'm drawing? Is this going to be house, table, chair? Let's see, when can you guess this? So now I'm going to curve this one, and this one. So let's erase extra ones and make them little bit curvy. And I'm going to make it little bit dark, but try to draw light. Let's see how many of you guessed already. Now I'm going to do double lines. So this side I will do double line over here. This side I will do double line. It's look like a sink. Is it? Okay, let me try a little bit more and then we will guess. From here, I'm not going to turn this one. I will go a little bit straight here. And same thing I'm going to do here. Now I'm going to do double lines over here. And this one I will turn and I will do double line over here. Now over here I'm going to do kind of like a smiley or sea face over here, and this side same thing I will do this side too, and kind of like ellipse shapes. And I will do reflection one over here, and then I'm going to color this one. Any idea what I'm trying today? Now little bit is give a space and then do sad face, then pull it from here and here, go up, oops, up, down and up. You can draw some lines over here. Now I'm going to pick one point under this mouth, wherever I feel like over here, a little bit up, totally up to you. And from here I will go up and make a candy cane over here. Same thing from here, I will go a little bit up like this. And if you want, you can do same thing over here. It will go just slightly up over here. So a little bit up, and then you can see arch here, then down and go all the way up here. So this line we can pull it this way, straight down. So it will go here. So with the flow, now from here I will draw another one. So suppose I want this much big line, so I can go here and this one has to come here, and then I will erase everything under this one, here and here. Now this is the middle point. So from here I will go like a smiley face and go up here, and then I will do this shape. So this will not go up, it will go down, and this will go up here. And same thing I will do here. It will go this way, this direction, and this will go down here. So the one is going up, it will go almost this much. And from here we can start like a bumpy, one more bump, and some wiggly lines. And as much as long you want, you can do it, and then you can create a line over here. Then I will curve here. So every time when I'm pulling a line, I'm making it more curvy and fluffy here. Now this line, the one it's going up, here it will go start from here and slowly by slowly, And from here I'm going to do some bumps here, and then we are going to curve these ones too. So I have to adjust. So this one I pull it a little bit down. Instead of here I did it here, so if I'm going here it will go here, and then we can curve it. So these are the adjustment you have to do, and then curve here, a little bit more folds here and there, and then erase everything from inside. These lines are going to be curvy, and some lines over here and here. Now let me use the marker. So I already did the marker, so you can just play around. I did 2 wiggly lines. If you want a little bit more here and there,